Claude has just launched a new feature that lets the AI use your entire computer. It is called Computer Use, and I'm going to teach you how to set this up in less than 5 minutes so that Claude can use any of your desktop apps. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Claude and make sure it is up to date. When you have new features that come out on Claude, you have to update the app. And you'll have a specific button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen down here, which will say like relaunch and update. Or you might just have to go to Claude.ai and delete the app, re-download it, re-log in, but you have to have the latest updated version to use this new feature. Once you do that, what I want you to do is go and navigate into settings, and then you should see these specific instructions down here underneath desktop app. So you're going to click into general, and you're going to turn on computer use. So this is the functionality. This needs to be toggled on, and at that point, it's going to ask you for specific permissions. It's going to ask you for ability to record the screen, as well as maybe take screenshots. And by the way, if you don't see this yet, you probably haven't updated the app, or you might need to upgrade your Claude plan. Or third option is you might be in a country that does not allow Claude computer use. We teach many people in Light School how to use AI, and we have some German people in there who fortunately do not have this feature set yet, so hopefully you're not one of them. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to navigate to Co-Work. It might look a little bit different for you. And then what I want you to do is make sure to turn on Keep Awake, make sure to turn on Allow All Browser Actions, and you should see this specific option pop up, which is Computer Use. Make sure it's on. Again, it might ask for permission. So you can see here, I've entered my prompt, and I said specifically with computer use, I'd called out the name of the tool, open up Discord, go to campus chat, and send a message that says, is this thing working? And what's going to happen is that Claude is going to detect the fact that you are asking it to use computer use. And by the way, this might take a minute, might take a couple seconds. It's a brand new feature, so the timing is different. And you'll also notice that it's asking me for consent, right? So do you want Claude to use this, right? So I'm going to allow it for the session. That's pretty normal with anything Claude related. If it has not done something before, it's going to ask for permission. And you'll see that the orange glow around the screen is now glowing. And Claude is actually now able to use my computer. It can click around the screen for me, and it can take actions on my behalf. Now, depending on the specific app that it's using, you can see that it just closed itself. It might take different amounts of time, but this is a very cool new feature that allows the AI to actually plug in and use our computer. And you'll see it's continuing to ask for consent. Obviously, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm going to say yes. All right. And so over time, it's going to only get better. Obviously, this is just the first day. It might be a little bit buggy, or it might not do exactly what you want it to do. But the cool thing is that you can see it just send the message to my Discord, is that now Claude has access to your entire computer. So that means if you are away from your computer and you are sitting in front of, if you're using Dispatch, which is their new agent tool, that means from your phone, you can actually, as long as your computer is awake and open and computer use is on, and I also recommend you allow all browser actions, you can now use your computer from anywhere by just sending an agent a message. This is a very innovative approach to using computers. It's something that we have seen in other formats, but nobody has ever made it this accessible. And so I just want to give you that quick update because it's very cool. And now Claude can actually use your entire computer. So if you want to learn more, please go ahead and click into Light School. We teach this stuff every Tuesday, Thursday, and hope to stay up to date. Keep Clauding. Thank you.